you learned this as a lighting, yeah?
Yeah, I used to do it as a lighting. This acts as a trap, and we've put weight on top so that it goes down faster. This is the mechanism, the trigger mechanism of the trap. It's attached to a string to where we're going to be hiding back there. You pull this, and basically the trap goes down and traps the bait. What we put in the trap is like some rice and some coconut. We've also sprinkled rice on the outside so that it's appetizing. They're gonna start here, and then they're gonna see, oh, there's lots more there, so they're gonna get in here. Basically, with this method, you don't just catch one bird. If you're lucky, you catch a lot, you know. So we're hoping that it works. We're hoping it's not too late in the day, actually. But when we came here earlier, like which is half an hour ago, there was like 10 birds. Right?
Oh, far more.
And
20.
they're huge. They're big. So hopefully they're gonna come through when we disappear. Come, you don't even breathe. And when you think there's enough inside the area, you pull. And you pull as swiftly as you can. Because if you hesitate, they see the movement of the line, they'll run. Birds are very, very, very